Hello, you are all welcome to my Simple Science YouTube channel. Today we are doing plant diversity first part. Let's begin. First chapter is morphological features of a flowering plants. You know, in your surrounding you have uh, that the plant that bear flowers and the plant that do not bear flowers. What are the plants that bear flowers? Rose, ether, shoe flower, lotus, and there are a lot of things. Plants that do not bear flowers. What are they? Fern, salvia, moss, and cycas. Let's begin. The parts of the plant. This is a typical plant. Typical plant has all the plants that the plant have to be. Uh, for example, one plant do not bear flowers. You know that. In this picture, you have a typical plant. Okay. The first one is taproot. Taproot begin from the base of the plant and lateral root. Lateral root start from the beside of the taproot. Third, root system. The root system is taproot and the lateral root. In this plant, it has the taproot system. Some plants have fibrous root system. Okay. Fourth, stem. Stem holds branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, and lot of things. Lateral buds or axillary buds. Lateral buds is the first stage of branches. Okay. Sixth, leaves. Leaves produce photosynthesis. What is that photosynthesis? Seven is apical bud. Apical bud is the branch that is in the top of the plant. That is in the top of the plant. Eight, branches. Branches are flowers, leaves, fruits. Nine is fruits. Flowers produce fruits. Fruits produce seeds. Seeds produce plants. That is the cycle of the plant. Flowers. Flowers produce fruits. 11. Shoot system. Shoot system is the things that are top of the soil. Okay, the single root which originated from the base of the stem is called the taproot system. Taproot. The roots that originated from the taproot is called lateral roots. This root system is called the taproot system. In here, it is a taproot system. What are the examples? Mango, cashews, curry leaves. The other root system is the large number of roots. There's no taproot. There's large number of lateral roots. Of roots originated from the stem is called the fibrous root system. What are the examples? Coconut, areca, bamboo, king coconut, grass. Functions of a root. If the in the is the exam asks the functions of root, you have to write fix the plant to the soil and the absorb water and minerals from the soil. Those are the first mainly do of the roots. Okay, first one is fix the plant to the soil. Roots fix the plant to the soil. Absorb water and minerals from the soil. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means producing new plants from the roots or stems or flowers or leaves. A lot of things. Next, we are talking about different roots that have in plants. First root is prop roots. Prop roots situated from the branches. Uh, Prop roots do support the branches. In example, banyan. State root support the stem. They are situated from the stem. What are the examples? Pandanus, rampe. Third one is aerial roots. Aerial roots do absorb water vapors from the atmosphere. Some aerial roots carry out photosynthesis. Some some orchid plants do that. The example is orchid. Fourth one is climbing routes. Climbing routes. The function is help the plant to climb by attaching to another stem or a support. We can get a support of a wall. Uh, Pepper and beetle do that. Respiratory rules. Respiratory rules grow in water. So the water does not have enough oxygen to absorb. So some roots come out of the water and absorb some water. What are the example? Cardboard. Exchange of air with the atmosphere. Storage roots. There are a lot of examples. If imagine carrot, one carrot plant is done, the remaining energy, how to reduce the remaining energy, they store the remaining energy to the taproot. uh, we are eating the carrots taproot, beetroot taproot, manioc taproot, and sweet potatoes taproot. What is the function? Storage of food or storage of energy of theirs. Roots with root nodules. We can get mimosa, beans, long beans, and wing beans. What is the function? Bacteria live inside the root nodules and add nutrition to the soil, making it fertile. In mimosa plant, there is a special bacteria is called rhizobium bacteria. In the plant can't absorb the nitrogen from the atmosphere. So the rhizobium bacteria absorb the new nitrogen from the atmosphere and nutritize the soil, making it fertile. So that is the end of not. This is the end of the first part of this lesson. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.